Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we said, we will post at least two placement videos in our YouTube channel. So today is the second day. So this will continues for other days also. In case if we don't post any video in particular day, next day we will post two or three requirements. You need not to worry about the requirements. So the main thing is please subscribe and press the bell icon. Then only you will receive the notification when we post. Why I am saying this is the notification period will be uh, within the short time in the sense if any company releases the notification the link will be active for maybe 4 days or 5 days, maybe 1 week max we can expect 15 days. So if we not able to see this video it will be you can lose, uh, you will lose it. So I know how difficult it is to find a job these days, especially 2019, 2020, and 2021 passed outs. Okay guys, so now let's enter into the topic today. So we have today two requirements. One is Genser, another one is Nokia. So Genser joining date is very short period. You can expect if we qualify the written test and technical round and HR round, you can expect the joining date on December 1st or 15th December 2021. And the pattern of the exam will be online assessment exam. If we qualify online assessment then you will go to the technical round, and as well as if we qualify technical and you will go to the HR round. So the qualification is a BTech BE in CS and IT streams, and also MCA. Here the year of passed outs will be 2020 and 2021. So they are expecting 60% throughout studies, I mean 10th 12th BTech or PG. So you should have 60%, at least 60 and more than that, then only you are eligible to apply for these. So the locations are Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata. You have to work in these locations. And coming to salary, they are paying 4 lakhs per annum. In my point of view, this is very good package for freshers. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. So please utilize this opportunity and apply. The apply link is provided in the description, and if you want go through the company details, that is also provided in the description. You go through the company details. If you like that company and then everything is fine, then you can apply and crack this. I will be the most happiest person if this video helpful for one person also. So next company is test engineer, Nokia. Yeah. So Nokia released a notification for test engineer, but the details are not clear. You need not to worry about that. The application link is provided in the description. Once you click on that application, it will prompt you a page. Already a user or register. So if you are new user, so please click on the register and give the provide the username and password. Then go further. So fill all the details. If everything is fine, okay. So actually these details on qualification and year of pass outs and package are not clear. So once you enter into that page, the link which is provided in the description, so you can expect the details. So if everything is okay, then go ahead. So otherwise you need not to worry. So definitely I will upload as much as we requirements in our YouTube channel. So please subscribe. Then only after when I post, then immediately you will receive the notification, then you can apply quickly. So my concern is, if I post today, if you see this video after 2 or 3 days, there are chances that link may expire. So that's why I'm asking you to subscribe, and if you press the bell icon, then immediately when I post a video you will receive the notification, then you can apply if you are eligible. So and also one more thing is, please share to your friends as well. So many of them are trying to get a job. So if you are facing difficulties in sharing this video, just keep it in a WhatsApp status, so that who are eligible they can apply, otherwise they can ignore. So daily 100%, I can't say, but 99.99% definitely I will try to upload at least one video regarding placements. In that video, you can expect two companies or three companies also. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.